Next to a screwdriver, your hammer is likely the most reached for item in your toolbox. There are many products available to choose the best hammers for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best hammers for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best overall. Estwing E3 to 16C 16-ounce claw hammer. A well-made hammer feels good in your hands, and there's a reason Estwing has been a favorite manufacturer of hammers for decades. They know how to build a hammer just right. The E3 to 16C is a curved claw 16-ounce hammer forged from one piece of polished solid steel. The handle is wrapped in a cushion of non-slip grip material that minimizes vibration and helps you hold on even if your hands get sweaty. And it's perfectly balanced for a smooth, easy swing that drives your nail home without excessive effort. At 16 ounces, note that hammer weights are measured only by the weight of the steel head, not by the weight of the entire tool. The hammer is heavy enough for a reasonably powerful swing, but not so heavy that it's likely to tire you out. It has a smooth face, which is less likely to mar surfaces should you miss the nail. The curved claws are just right for pulling nails back out of walls or wood. The hammer even has a rust-resistant coating to keep it in prime condition for years of use around your home, garage, or worksite. This is an ideal all-purpose hammer for just about any handy person or deer, as well as people who like to have a collection of quality tools on hand whenever they're needed. Number 2. Best budget. Irwin 16-ounce fiberglass general-purpose hammer. If you don't expect to use your hammer for professional or heavy-duty jobs, then there's no reason to spend money on a professional-level tool. Not when you can buy this sturdy 16-ounce framing hammer with a steel head, fiberglass handle, and very slightly curved rip claw for pulling apart nailed boards. Unlike many framing hammers, this one has a smooth face, which is slightly more forgiving should you miss swing and hit the wall instead of the nail. The handle is ergonomically shaped for a comfortable, secure grip, even when you're wielding the tool for long periods. Plus, it's designed to absorb shock that otherwise could lead to pain and fatigue. While this hammer isn't as mighty as pricier options, it is more than adequate for most typical around-the-house tasks, and it is a worthwhile addition to your toolbox. Number 3. Best framing. Stanley 16-ounce FatMax Xtreme AntiVibe Rip Claw Nailing Hammer. Framing hammers, or rip hammers, have a straight claw rather than the more common curved claw. This makes them useful not only for driving nails, but also for light demolition or ripping nailed lengths of wood apart. Stanley's FatMax AntiVibe Rip Claw Hammer is a powerful tool for driving nails into harder, thick woods with its 16-ounce all-steel construction. Even better, it does it in a way that is meant to protect the user thanks to its design that absorbs most of the strike force into the handle rather than into your hands and wrists. Point 1. But that's not the only benefit of this hammer. It also has a face that's significantly larger than most other similar hammers, meaning you are far less likely to have a swing and miss, and thus less likely to strike your thumb instead of the nail or damage the wall with a misplaced blow. And since it's made from a single length of forged steel, it's a tool that should last you for many decades of dependable use. Number 4. Best mallet. TEKTON double-faced soft mallet. The toughest hammer isn't always the best for some projects. If you are looking for a versatile hammer to use for more delicate projects, the TEKTON double-faced soft mallet will get the job done. The dual soft faces, one side is black rubber and the other is red plastic, are better for hitting surfaces you don't want to damage as you apply a lot of force to each strike. This is perfect for protecting fragile surfaces or completed finishes while you hammer. The tubular steel handle of the hammer is designed to shift the balance of the weight toward the head, increasing the power of each blow. The soft rubber grip will also keep the hammer comfortably planted in your hands while you swing and strike. A chrome finish helps prevent rust and corrosion. Number 5. Best for metal. Estwing Tinner's Hammer. While Tinner's hammers are mostly intended for shaping sheet metal and other metalwork, they can also be used for driving nails through tough wood or metal. The Estwing T3 to 18 will give you 18 ounces to play with when you want extra force and durability behind your swing. Forged from one piece of steel, this is a hammer that will last for decades. Despite the size and weight, this hammer comes with a shock reduction grip to minimize the amount of shock and vibration your wrists absorb after a strike. This type of design tries to keep the shock in the hammer so your bones and ligaments don't take the brunt of the force. The hammer is properly weighted between the head and claw for superior balance. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.